Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to insert SIM in Redmi 13C device. So for this, all you guys have to do for inserting the SIM, as you guys know that we have SIM slot here. We have dual SIM slot in Redmi 13C device. So just take a SIM injector and then put it into a hole and push it so that the SIM tray will be come out. Now, as you see, we have these two SIM slots, SIM 1, SIM 2. So just insert the SIM at any slot. Now just put the tray in. Just click OK. And then as you see, the SIM signals is now appear. And if someone have any issue in appearing the SIM, so just you guys can restart the phone so that your SIM signals will be appear. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.